All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So the Microsoft Surface Duo, this is 30 days later with this thing. I actually want to start down here in the charging port. Now, um, the device has been doing pretty good overall, but I'll show you what just happened to me right as I was recording this video. I was able to take a picture of it. It happened multiple times, and I couldn't get my camera out fast enough, and I finally got a picture up. And you know what? Let me start there, because I posted it on Instagram. This is what's happening right now. Um, this is what just happened to me while I was trying to record the intro for this video, and it happened like 2 or 3 times. The camera app crashed. A whole bunch of different things happened, but this just happened like right at the beginning of this video, and I was like, "What the heck is going on?" So if you have a Surface Duo, let me know if you're experiencing that same thing, because that's super frustrating. Now, and just so you know, for reference, I'm recording this video with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 in full screen mode, so 5:4. So hopefully you Galaxy Z Fold owners will enjoy this beautiful video in 5:4 mode. I don't know how it's going to look on the computer once I'll look at it with you though. So I want to talk about the charging port. Now the charging port is something that people have been it's been cracking. I've seen some people's crack, and I've seen rust in there, and I'm starting to believe these people are, it's the way they're taking care of their device. I guess the nice way to say it. My charging port doesn't have any dirt, debris, anything in there, and I keep this in my pocket when I'm out and about. So I lay it around just like any other device. My charging port isn't cracked, but if it does crack, I will be sure to let you guys know. So other than that, the device, when I updated it to that software, the latest software patch that they did, let's see here. Let's go in, go to About and Software. Yeah, it's the August 5th security patch. In this build, let me see if I could find some photos too, because I think I took a screenshot of what was going to be changing. And I don't know. Let me make sure here. I don't like to expose anything here. Screenshot. I just took a screenshot of it opening, looks like. That's all I took. I couldn't get a picture of the actual update, but I read online what was supposed to be fixed, and I think something to do with the camera was supposed to be fixed and worked out, and then the buggy software overall. Well, as you can see with this update, now I was on the beta, but I had to come off of the beta to get this over-the-air update, and because you can see now the icons are back. The icons the way it looked when it first came to me. That is the way it looked. So the software to me still obviously hasn't improved too much. This is going to be one of those devices that, man, I really want to keep this device, and I plan on holding out. It's no catch and release, no return. Worst case, I'll probably sell it, for $1,250 or something like that, $1,300. I'm not sure. But at this point, I'm holding on because it's a very nice device. The hardware is still top notch. Just the fact that the software is so buggy, it's becoming very agitating. It's so agitating. It's unreal. I'm really getting frustrated with some of these things, because the video that I just shot, there's the Z Fold 2. The video that I just shot, the video was crashing out, and I shot this video 3 times, I think it was. I guess I took a picture of the table, but I shot this video 3 times, this intro, and it's super frustrating to know that the software is just still not there. And I'm optimistic. I'm extremely optimistic, and I really like to tell people the truth. And the truth is, yes, if you bought this device, you do have an eclectic device. But what you also have is a device that's super buggy still after the second update. This is the second update that I've gotten. And we're going to have to wait it out. Now, overall, I'm not having any software issues, but when I need it to do something, that is where I run into a few problems, i.e. I'm trying to record with the camera and it's crashing out on me. So other than that, let's be fair, I'm not having any issues with software. After I did that update, I just haven't had any issues, and Again, this just happened right here. So I was kind of like, what the heck is going on? What just happened? So I don't know what was up with this. It happened 2 or 3 times. It didn't happen. It happened 2 times. It didn't happen on the last time I was trying to use the camera. So, aside from this, Surface Duo owners, I really need to hear from you because this is such a great device, man. This hardware is fantastic. It's just a beautiful, beautiful device. But the functionality of this device, I mean, I'm loving having 2 screens. Listen, none of these things have changed. I still feel pretty much the same way I felt when I first had it. And then after a week, after 2 weeks, this is a month later. This is officially a month later. And I still feel the same about the device. I just want them to fix the software. Now, if I sell this device, that means I was really frustrated because I have no intentions on selling it. But if I did, I wouldn't let it just go for dirt cheap. No way. I'd want to get some bread back, So the device, it's a tough sale. All those people that keep saying, "Oh, you don't know how to use it, you don't know what you're doing," and all this other stuff. Yeah, I hear you, but I do know what I'm doing, and I definitely know how to use this. Um, I'm not just some person talking out of the side of my neck. I do run one business and 2 websites, and I love it running from this device. I love it, but I can't make excuses for something that when it frustrates me or agitates me or it messes up, my duty is to tell you. So, because some of you guys might be going through the same thing, and you don't have a YouTube channel, and you needed somewhere to go to talk about it or something. So, Surface Duo holding strong. It's just that now I'm having camera issues, and it's not just once. It was 2 times it actually crashed. But so the third time I started to record, I cut the video way shorter than I normally would have done. So, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. The Surface Duo. It's a good phone, man. It's a good device. Can't call it a phone. It's a good device. You guys get some of you guys get so agitated. It's not a phone. It's not a phone. You guys get in your feelings. But the reality is, this is a good device, and it has a phone application. Is that okay? So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, Z Fold 2 owners, I hope you enjoyed this 5x4 video recording for you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.